Ever had the hiccups? Now, imagine they last for 68 years. Meet Charles Osborne, the man who for 68 years. It all started in 1922 while he was trying to weigh a pig, yes, a pig, and fell. Something in his brainstem got damaged, and that triggered a hiccuping marathon. At his peak, Charles hiccuped. That's about. Despite the hiccups, Charles got married, had, and lived a full life. Talk about resilience. Then in 1990, at age 96, the hiccups, no explanation, no treatment, and he passed away a year later, hiccup-free. Did you know that? Drop a hiccup emoji if this surprised you. And follow for more weird facts like this.